gaming puppy lovers, and welcome to 102 Dalmatians, Puppies to the Rescue. This is a game... Hang on. This is way too loud. I need to turn this down a bit. One sec.
We will return to the adventures of Thunderbolt in space.
Oh, I love that show.
These words from our sponsor.
Ugh, adverts.
But Domino, do you think it will be okay with Mom?
Yeah, no sweat. Mom and Dad will be back from
There
their
is something
work
not right with
soon.
those
What could
mouths.
possibly go wrong?
Everything.
Hey, Domino, what's this?
It's a reject toy.
That's just one of... And we must eliminate that competition. Yes, there's no other choice. Professor Farsboom, get your head out of your toy programming and answer the phone.
Wow.
Yes,
She is
Cruella,
demented
my
as hell.
Initiate Plan B.
That's not even up to your
Hey,
head.
everybody, we're back!
And all over England, pets of every kind are vanishing without a trace. Scotland Yard is now on the case and...
I just can't believe it. Our puppies, gone.
It's that horrid Cruella de Vil up to her old tricks.
What was your first clue?
We'll go over to that evil woman's toy factory, get our pups back, and have it out with her once and for all.
You're right, Dipstick. Oh, I could just fight that woman.
Please do,
Now,
and more
Oddball
to
and
death.
Domino, you puppies stay right here. Take care of our humans while we're gone, and don't worry. We'll be back with all your brothers and sisters as soon as we can.
Goodbye, my darlings. And be good.
Yeah, you know they're not gonna listen, right?
So, do you want to stay here and be good? Or do you want to go
No.
rest?
Okay, so with that out of the way, welcome to 102 Dalmatians, Puppies on the Rescue. This is a game I used to play years ago, and I'm glad, if I'm honest, I'm glad I can actually play it on this computer, because this computer runs on Windows 10, as you've seen. So I'm glad. In case you're not aware of what the hell 102 Dalmatians is, first off, how? And second, 102 Dalmatians is one set after 101 Dalmatians, and two is set in England. And it's also a Disney show. I love the crap out of 102 Dalmatians, and I haven't played this game in years. Literal years. I can literally not remember the last time I played this game. All I know is I was a kid. Probably like, I think the last time I played it was when I was 12? I have no real clue. But anyway, so this is it. So we've got... there we go. All the levels. Stickers. Minigames! I remember the minigames. I think one of my favorites was golf. Actually, yeah, it was just golf. Let's have a little screw around with golf, actually. And then we'll get into the actual thing.
A second time, the ball will then fly away. Hopefully toward the hole. Be
Yeah,
careful
unlike
how
that, you stupid
hard
idiot.
The lower your score, the better. The top score is saved along with your game. Good luck. You'll need it.
How have you not been murdered yet? Right. Ah, for fuck's sake. Okay, this is a lot. This is harder than... You can tell I haven't played this in years. Yeah. Okay, so I thought you had to hold E? No, you just push it. And whack. Ooh. Gotcha. Hey, it's Stonehenge. Off the rebound. I think this might be Piccadilly. Gotcha. What is that exactly? Ooh, joy. Where's the hole? Is that it? Oh, you douche. Give me my hole. Nope. Yay, no. Oh, you douche. That was mean. Ah. Going down the red carpet. What the hell is it? This is like something from Robot Wars. Cool, so that's mini golf. Now let's play the actual game. That dog's so bored.
Cruella de Vil has sent out an army of robotic toys to capture all the pets in England.
But why?
How does that work?
The toys are dangerous if you're not careful, but they are very poorly made. A
I gotta tell you
loud
that.
bark at close range will destroy their cheap electronics.
What about my brothers and sisters trapped in the crates?
Try tumbling into the crates. You should be able to smash them open and rescue the puppies inside.
Thanks, Waddlesworth. I'll see you soon.
Right, so here we are. Still a bit loud. There we go. So yeah, so E is sniff. R is roll. And B is bark. I had to get it all to go there. I remember this game. So bones are all over the place. Oh, it's bringing back lots of memories. Lots of good memories. Aww.
Way to go!
Yay! Oh, steak. Try and run me over, you. I'm having problems! Give me the bone, you dick. Thank you. Thank you. So the way this game works is you play as two puppies. That's what I've got to talk to over there. You can play as this guy, Domino, or you can play as Oddball. I'm gonna play as Oddball because... Okay, normally, I'd play as Domino. Here's what I normally play as. But... Oddball... screw it, I don't know.
My name's Fidget. My mom calls me that because, well, I never stop moving.
Fair enough.
You just come find me, and I'll tell you what I know. Bye now.
Cool. Thanks, Fidget. I don't like shit. No! Shit. Okay, so for any of you who are familiar with this game, you might remember Knobstain. Ow. I'm getting those bones. The intelligence is strong in this one. Hey, Big Ben! Bah! Fuck off. Ow, you douche. Yeah, so that's what those things do. And sweet. So you'll see Cod. You'll see. I've already forgotten his name. You'll see him a lot. Yep, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lure Knobstain. Yeah, Where is he?
There's the mutt.
You missed. Follow me if you're stupid enough, which quite clearly you are. So. Yep.
Come back here, you mutt.
So this is how you deal with these type of characters. There are always moments where...
Okay, Fidget, now what?
You gotta make him dizzy.
One dizzy batted coming up.
Now I gotcha.
Yeah.
Look out for his nest.
I'm looking.
Whoa.
That should do it.
All right, you. Just hold real still like.
Yeah.
And now for the coup de grace.
No, it's coup de grace, you idiot.
Uh-oh. I hope I'm not allergic. Ouch!
I guess Jasper got the point. In the end.
I love this game. You are annoying me, sir. Thank you.
You saved me.
Yeah, didn't have to though.
Hi, Kitty Cat. What are you doing here?
Ahem. I am Sergeant Tibbs, and
Hello,
I've been
Tibbs.
sent to help you save your brothers and sisters and track down Cruella de Vil.
What do you
Where
know
does
about
Sergeant Tibbs
Cruella?
sound familiar? I think the toy store was one of my more favorite levels of the game. Yay!
This
I'd
toy
like to point
store
something
and
out.
up to the top
They're
of Big Ben
speaking,
via Piccadilly Circus.
but their
The
mouth
top
is
of
still
Big Ben?
moving even when
Oh,
they're
wow.
not
From the heights
speaking.
of Big Ben.
And I got a puppy. Yeah, I can't skip. Aww. You missed. You missed again. And now you're dead. Well done. I think I remember why I like the toy store so much. Oh, fuck. That probably should have been a good place to stop, actually. And I had no. Whoops. Hello. Ah! I'm clearly not the most intelligent dog. Yeah, logically, that would not work. Hey.
You're the greatest.
Yeah. Can I just point something out? Look how high we're up. Ah! Oh. Yeah, okay. I am so glad to be playing 102 Dalmatians again after all these years. Ooh, if I remember correctly, the next level's Piccadilly. And then we're up at Big Ben. And after that we have our first boss battle. You fat fuck. You're a familiar face.
I've attached my electroencephalograph to this phone line to see if I will accidentally receive a powerful shock. Wow! Yes. I see my hypothesis was correct now.
Oh, if I remember correctly, this is where... Yeah, this is where he is. Ow, you douche. You killed me! Okay, that thing isn't really that. That is just a 2D sprite. Oh! And again, I'm going to talk to Fidget. Sorry! Ah! Where am I? I'm somewhere.
Hello. I would like to buy some extra large blue underwear with yellow polka dots. Hello?
Oh, Someone has strange ideas for underwear. Why has this game not gotten a HD remake? Domino, 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 domino! Oddball! I don't know. Ah! Oddball! Shit. Okie dokie, after making the same super mistake twice. What is it with this game and stickers? There we go. What a wiener. Okay, what a dead wiener.
Hey, it's open. Now for the fun part.
Come here, you stupid
Oh, no, you don't.
Come here, fatso.
Slow down, you mangy mutt.
How about you lose some weight?
You're as good as sunk. Ah!
I think Horse is feeling a bit down today.
That was a shit pun.
Hey!
Fuck off. What?
Susurkan maribo. Potan. Ekti potan. Makaki sa baba pakangkti hat maribo. Maribo.
No, this is not Chinese takeaway. If I remember correctly, there we go. Yay! Shit. How you get up here? Did I go through that? Or did I just miss it entirely? I won't know until editing. Hang on.
Hey!
Fuck off. Fuck off. I love doing that. Why did killing him blow that up? Why did he even take me? You're welcome. Where's that? Huh.
As you make your way up, I'll drop in every now and then with some advice.
Okay. Thanks, Yvonne.
Later. So here we are in Big Ben. What are the enemies you face in Big Ben? Yeah. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna end the video here. I very much enjoyed coming back to this game. A game I have not played in so many years. And this game is still a treasure to me. It is such a beautiful game. I absolutely adore it. And I really recommend hunting this game down and snagging it. Because this game is so much fun. And to me, so real nostalgic. I absolutely adore this game. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you guys do want more of this, if you do want me to play more of this, then let me know in the description. Let me know in the comments. I don't really know. But thanks for watching this guys. Keep up with me at Taylorgang, and keep up with my friends Manny in the House, Conspiracy Theory, aka Night with Enemy Roar, Sungazer, aka Naruto Uzumaki, Ashura Kamiya, and Undercover Nerd. And as always, I'm Taylorgang, and I will see you next time.